let's do things. What we're gonna do is I'll put, yeah, maybe we could do that. Will it reach? Yes! We can put the monitor on the floor, and I'm gonna look through some RAM. I want to see what I got. Man, if I could throw another 2 gig in this, that would be fucking grand. I just got a box from Saturn Ev, and thank you. I forget what's in it. I never even looked. Let's go look. A BOX. I gotta cover the info on it because there's fan twerps and shit like that out there, so you gotta watch. There. That opened up. This looks custom. This box, absolutely custom. Here's a bubble wrap thing. There's memories. There's one. There's the other. Bubble wrap. I guess when tape is free, but it makes it kind of hard to open, you know? I don't know what this is. Could be not what we need. If it is what we need, great. If it's not, oh well, you know, what are you going to do? 512 PC2 4200. So it's DDR2. That is. Is this one of the same? Can we get in with a thing and just kind of do that, make it faster? Yeah, maybe if it cut all the way through. Oh, just to get the last notch out. There. 512 PC2 4200. Okay. So, that would give us 5 gig of RAM. That's a start. Let's see if I got anything else. I found this. It's Crucial Ballistics. Doesn't tell me a goddamn thing about it. I don't even know if it'll fit in the slots. I'm going to try jamming it in there. Here goes nothing. I might blow it up. I don't know. Might cause it not to post, but we don't really have too much to lose. These slots have never been populated. They are like a toiga, as XO81X would say. There you go. I don't know if these work or if they're any good. We're gonna disconnect power from the hard drives because we don't need it to boot right now, and we can avoid potential cat problems by undoing them and prevent it from shorting the fuck out on shit. There. Oh, see, power died. That's okay. We don't need it. Now we need it. No, I said on. What are you going off for? Okay, let's try that again. Right. Okay. Yeah, the plug would be loose. That might be why. There you go. That was difficult. Flea light. Power. Don't hear nothing, and I don't see nothing, which is kind of what I expected. I expected it wasn't going to work. How, why, I don't know. Just kind of the way it goes with memory upgrades. You put the shit in, and everything's cat-compatible, and no, it ain't. So, just for funds, we'll go ahead and reseat these. Could be incompatible with the other RAM. 5 gig is fine for me. You know, I know there's people out there that say, oh, I need 128 gigabytes of RAM. No, 6 is a lot for me. I don't even know what to do with all that memory. The machine doesn't even use that kind of memory. Okay, that didn't do anything. Still not going to work. Right, that's what I said. Yeah, that's good. Alright, let's pull that RAM. I don't know if it's any good. I never did know. Let's pull that RAM, and we'll just power it up just to see, because sometimes when you knock shit, knock shit around, it could be the other RAM in the system that is at, oh, you bitch, that is at cat fault. And then we'll try the other RAM there. Yeah, see, that came up. We'll just power it down because we know we're safe on that. Okay, so this RAM one at a time now. We'll try that. See if that's anything. I don't know if that'll make any difference. Oh, I got it backwards around. No, I don't. Backwards wouldn't go in, but it doesn't feel right. Yeah, no, good there. There. Single channel this way, but we could see. Oh, hey, look. Something. Six? What? Really? Those are 2 gig chips? And it still says it's in dual. Okay. You think like there's an actual fucking point that I'm doing this, right? The other system, the video editing system, has 6 gig, but it's an oddball that actually has a total of 6 memory slots. So that's kind of that. Now, why did I pull out that chip? Because it's working. And we're going to try this chip in this slot and see if it works like that, but they don't like each other and want to go in. Okay. Yeah, likes that. Okay. System info should say, yep. Oh! Isn't that different? Can you see that? 6 gig, 4342 meg available. Burp. And still shows dual. Obviously it's not running in dual now because there ain't an even number of chips. Let's stick this one in here again and see if maybe it just wants to spring to life. Or if it says fuck you. Then we could remove the original RAM and try just that. Right, don't post with... Yeah, I mean, that would be way too much trouble. Okay, I'm going to try something I never really did. I don't know if it'll work. We're going to leave those chips in the other slots as they are and just remove the originals and have it kind of ass backwards for a minute. No bueno. Now, we're going to move over. Come on. Yeah. This to the first slot. Well, you guys are getting a whole computer lesson here. The good news is, at least one of us knows what we're doing. Okay. Come on. There you go. Pull that out. I'll try it with just the one chip. Oh, it doesn't like that kind. It might need two to kind of be happy enough, but we'll reseat it just in case. Come on, you bitch. These are real tight. Because it's always just another second to test. Right, that's different. That does nothing. Okay. So now we'll try the other chip in the first slot. And this is the game that we put. And we used to do this with machines at Tiny Middle. I want a memory upgrade. Try this brand of RAM. Doesn't work. Gonna have to go with the more expensive RAM, sir. Oh, they said this one will work. Well, they don't know what they're talking about. Why did the more expensive... I want it for the same price. You don't get it for the same price. What does this say? 2 gig through and through. Single. Okay. Put the other one in. Probably bad or something. I'm thinking, but you never know. See, because they do weird shit. RAM is always a weird when it doesn't work, you know? Alright. I don't even like it. Pull it out. Try it again. It posts. Okay, we'll try this one more time. Let's just inspect it a second. A little schmutz on there, but I don't even want to break out the pencil eraser. I'll just kind of clean it with my shirt. I don't think that'll even work. Oh, you shouldn't get the static electricity that you'll generate. Shut up, people. For fuck's sake. I've been doing this for goddamn near 35 fucking years. Is static an issue? Yeah, it can be. There's laundry products for that. Don't let static stop you. RAM is stopping me. Alright, so apparently that chip is bad. Okay. So now, let's put the original RAM back and make sure that doesn't work. Oh, actually no, we'll do one more thing. Just for fun. Okay, we know this chip is good. So we'll put it back there. Well, no, we'll put it over here. And we'll take this chip and put it in the first slot and see if it works on its own accord. It does not. Okay, so bad chip. See why I disconnected power from the hard drives now? Okay, now these are the originals. We'll stick those back as they originally were. I think it's actually in. It's just, these are skinny, and I'm used to big fat ones like I was using, and it doesn't feel the same. You know how that goes, right? You know these hurt putting in? They really actually hurt. Post. There you go. Keyboard. Double check. Takes a second. Go in the RAM. You know, go in the BIOS. 4 gig. Dual. It's there. Okay. So now for fun, we know if we put the other one in, it said single. I don't know if this is supported, but we'll try it. Put that in. Come on, guy. There you go. These are a lot easier to push down on. Now let's just see if it says that again about single and only 4 gigabytes available. Whoops, wrong one. No, now it's all there. Okay. And it says dual still. Okay. So, I don't know. Can we get 6.5? Be greedy? You know, not supposed to do that, but hey, this isn't your machine, and it's probably not worth anything to anyone anyway. Actually, you could buy, I saw they had this model Dell, not the small form factor, but the full-size tower. Somebody's selling the whole machine for 30 bucks. Yeah, don't like that. Just 2 beeps, huh? Just reseat it in case. Fucking bastard. Oh, that hurt. Okay. Yeah, I don't like it. Alright. Now we'll pull this one that we allegedly was working. Fucking God! Get in there! Bastard. My thumb is going to hurt for days. And we'll stick the other one of these in, which will give us 5, which is kind of an odd number, but I just want to see if it likes it. And then we'll... Okay. I don't like that RAM. Okay. I'm not going to try any further. It doesn't like it in this machine. Doesn't mean it's bad. It just means it doesn't like it in this machine. Those out, and we put the bad one there. This is the good one. Stick that down in. Okay, and just to let Winders know, let's hook the hard drives back up. I'm really curious if I disconnect one drive and see what the RAID says. But, yeah, kind of not want to blow shit up just yet. We're going to make believe it's okay. See what Winders says. Okay, we're not going to do that. It needs a CMOS battery. You don't need those. So we're going to check. It's got it all. Date and time it wants. Do we really need to do it? I guess we probably should. 19? Yeah, I think. 24. It's just a few years away. That's right. And 13, 12. F10. Yes. So allegedly it's got 6 gig of RAM. And this machine have failed the checkpoint. Okay, don't worry about that. It's got, what if we hit the auto adjust? It's kind of like out of phase or something. Enter, enter, F1, F2. Bark. Probably got to go in the BIOS and change the RAID or something. Yeah, I don't like that. Something's bad. So now we got to try to remember where the fuck that was. I don't know. You remember where it was? It's not there. Nope. Nope. Next one. There you go. RAID. F10, yes, enter. Watch it magically boot. And he just presses caps lock and walks away. There you go. Alright, great. So we learned that we got more work to do. We got 6 gigabytes. Why not more? I don't know. That chip looks like it's bad. That's probably why. Might actually have some more RAM over there. I gotta take a look. Data protection active. Oh, my data is currently protected from a single hard drive failure. Thank fuck for that. Alright, now, properties. 6 gigabytes of RAM. And my Windows Experience Index needs to be refreshed. Sure, why not? We'll let it do it. I'll look for RAM in the meantime.